Maya ni matigari ma nyumba ya gorofa 14 iria irokire kumomoka mathaini ma thaa 10 cia kiroko. Waki wa nyumba ino ndurarikirire na gukinyiria riu andu ana ni marekuirwo gukorwo mahatite matigariini maya. Eri a ciana merikanite ni arangiri a nyumba iyo na wangeri mauma ehitukiri na mutino ucio umahofanirie materigiriire. Kuringana na minista wa uruti wa wira wa muingi Kurerikana na uria ugwikinyitie nyumba-ini ino ni ati kumomoka kwayo gucungiriirio ni wagi wa kihariro kia mwene kandarathi uria wirikanite kwaga kurumirira watho wigie waki wa manyumba, kuona nyumba ino yabatie gukinya gorofa ya 12 no agitua matua ma gwaka nginyagia gorofa ya 14.
The architect who did the architectural drawing of this building, also we know his name, we know his contact, as well as the registration number. Therefore,
rukweranire uthurimi wa nyumba ino irigainie na iria imomokire ni gukorwo igithurimwo wagiriru wayo, kuona ni kuonanitie dalili cia kumomoka, undu uria ucungiriirie mihango kwamba kurugama kwa ihinda.
11th of August last year, 2025, Nairobi City County Government gave a stop order so that this building can stop construction. However, it seems that order was not complied.
We as residents, and the chairman was here, Dr. Gishui was here, as residents of South Sea, they have written more than 43 letters to the county government requesting and asking about some buildings that have been suspicious or do not have approvals.
Aikari ona kuri uguo ni morotete thirikari na kugona thengia wa miako gukorwo ikimomoka mahinda kwa mahinda, makinya ma kiwatho ni mekururagia, undu uria ucungagiriria aria mahutitio gweterera ihinda iraya kihoto kingigakinyanirio.
The government agencies involved in approvals and all that, I really think they put a blind eye on this, as the guys who are around here say this building has been going on for the last 1 year and it's been going too fast.
Corruption imeumiza inchi. Hizi manyumba ni barua tu inasainiwa, hakuna engineer inaangaliwa. Sasa kuna binadamu hapo ndani, and it's my family, nasikia uchungu. Hata saa hii kutoka saa 10 ya usiku, hii nyumba ilianguka. Hakuna response ya maana tumepata.
Uthuthuria wa gukurana indo iria irahuthikire waki-ini wa nyumba ino na kumurika kana ni ikinyanirie ikiro ni wambiriirie, thirikari ikiranira gutacukia makinya ma kiwatho kuri aria mekuoneka magararire watho.
Kila dakika sisi wa Kenya tunapoteza watu kwa mjengo ya kiholela holela bila kusangatiwa njia yake ama sheria inatakikana.
Mihango ya guthurima na kuhonokia aria mangikorwo makwamite matigariini ma nyumba ino ni rathie na mbere iria guire mathaini ma thaa 10 cia kiroko. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma mwena wa South Sea, kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.